use a balance board with children ages kindergarten to 8th grade. So a balance board is a flat surface on one side. On the other side, it's rounded to create a dynamic surface. This can be used to improve coordination, balance, strength, and control. It's also used to provide sensory input to kids who might need that stimulation of their vestibular sense, which is their balance, and their proprioception sense, which is where they are at in space. So to start with this, how you mount the balance board is you step on it with one foot to one edge until the edge is on the floor. And then with your other foot, you step on and shift your weight to the middle of your body until you are balanced on the rounded bottom. To dismount, you simply shift your weight to one foot and step off. Some activities you can do with this are you can have kids stand on it and practice doing their times tables or vocab words like this. Nick, spell accelerate.
A-C-C-E-L-E-R-A-T-E.
Good. You could also have them facing you
Okay.
and try catching the ball that's tossed to them. So you can use this daily. Start with 5 to 10 minutes until the child builds up skills and the tolerance for it. To wash it, you simply have to use warm soapy water or a sanitizing cloth and allow it to air dry. Some precautions with this is to know that there is the potential for falls, so you want to have it in a clear space with possible padding, but keep it away from tables and chairs where the child could get injured if they were to fall off. Thank you.